Florida is the most dangerous state for pedestrians. To address this, the Florida legislature passed a bipartisan law, HB 657, to stop egregious speeding in school zones. It's a statewide law. Speed may be enforced only when school is in session, and a half hour before classes start, during, and a half hour after school ends. Cameras can only be placed in designated school zones. Violations are issued for speeds exceeding posted speed limit by 10 miles per hour, and signs must be posted prior to the camera location. The municipality or county must conduct a public awareness campaign and issue warning for a period of 30 days prior to commencing enforcement. There's a $100 civil penalty. RedSpeed speed cameras can not only enforce speed, but also provide your police department with invaluable video and license plate recognition capability used for purposes of determining criminal or civil liability for incidents captured by the speed detection system, incidental to the permissible use of the speed detection system. RedSpeed uses either a 3D tracking radar or lane-specific LiDAR, an above-ground non-invasive detection method with lane-specific identification and speed triggers that record accurate speeds within plus or minus 1 mile per hour. Our camera is powerful enough to simultaneously track 350 objects in its field of view. In addition to issuing speed violations, comprehensive speed statistics are compiled by the system and can help clients determine if there is a need for additional enforcement. The system performs a daily startup calibration check and will start enforcement only after all checks are passed successfully. RedSpeed's speed cameras work in all weather conditions and can be configured to work simultaneously with video with an independent LPR component. Video. The RedSpeed system provides a video archive that can be used for incidental criminal and civil enforcement, real-time video streaming, and 45-day video access via any device consistent with state law for determining civil or criminal liability for events captured incidental to enforcement. Authorized users can access HD video from any of the overview and lane-specific video camera streams, define the time of interest, and download the video clips directly on their device. Lane-specific video cameras are zoomed in to provide clear identification of vehicle features, color, make, model, and license plate images for all lanes of enforcement. Combination of overview video and lane-specific video allows for crime investigators to not only trace a vehicle through the intersection, but also read its plate. License plate recognition. The license plate recognition module is a real-time license plate identification system with a centralized plate archive across all LPR-enabled cameras that works simultaneously with the speed enforcement system. LPR module is a real-time license plate identification system with a centralized plate archive across all LPR-enabled cameras that work independently of the speed enforcement system. LPR supports real-time Amber Alert functionality with text or email notifications to individual or groups of authorized recipients. LPR can import existing state and federal hot lists, generate custom hot lists, and export plate archive databases to third-party applications already in use by the customer.